Hi, I'm Dr. Walter Matwichuk, and I'm inviting you to a free Zoom lecture on Saturday, December the 21st at 9 a.m. in New York City. The topic of this 90-minute lecture will be how to accept the unchangeable, an essential life skill. In my view, there's a great deal in life that's unchangeable, and we don't teach people how to accept what is unchangeable. We teach people how to engineer solutions to problems, and that's a great idea. However, there's many things in life that we haven't yet figured out how to change. And therefore, we have to learn how to accept what we can change so that we can have some happiness and live well with the unchangeable. In rational emotive behavior therapy, I teach people how to philosophically accept what's unchangeable so that they then can have some degree of life satisfaction and happiness and personal meaning when they face unchangeable circumstances, encounter difficult people with traits that aren't easily modified or changed, and when they encounter aspects of themselves or characteristics that they're not particularly fond of and wish were different. In this 90-minute lecture, I'll show you how to adopt flexible and non-extreme attitudes towards the unchangeable and thereby put yourself in a better position emotionally to enjoy life despite encountering some difficult circumstances that are unchangeable. I hope you can join me. It's a free lecture. Please write to me at REBTDoctor@gmail.com, requesting the link, and I'll send it to you. If you're already a person who participates weekly in my demonstrations, you already will get the link, and you don't have to write and request it. But those of you who haven't attended a lecture or a Saturday demonstration, please write to me at REBTDoctor@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to send the link. After the 90-minute lecture, I will be accepting questions from the audience, so the total presentation running time will be 2 hours. I hope to see you on Saturday.